Hey guys, I hope you guys are about to enjoy the video that you're about to watch, and if you guys want to get access to awesome trades like this that me and Hayden post on a regular basis, all you have to do is sign up with the link in the description. Now remember, we're not always going to win them, but we're going to make some great gains along the way. Feel free to check out the profit and loss history on my website. Peace. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades as per usual. And let's get right into it as Bitcoin gets a very big dump towards the downside today, and we have recovered very nicely, essentially just coming back into this range here. And I kind of illustrated this before this happened as well. You know, we're kind of range bound in this price action that we're seeing at the moment. We got over it just slightly. We tried to hold above it, but it failed, and we broke back inside the range. Now we're back at the mean, and now the big question is, are we going to dump back down to the bottom of the range and just keep bouncing back and forth until it finally breaks, or are we going to have another attempt to break back out of the range, right? So right now we got a nice little green cross on the 4-hour time frame, so this is looking quite promising to come back up. Looking at the 1 hour, let's take a look here. We got some green crosses here, nothing to complain about. And as you go on, you can get on some smaller and smaller time frames, and to try and micromanage your trade if you're inside of one right now. But just know on the daily and the weekly, we have printed a red cross here at the highs. I believe we are marking some overbought conditions here on the weekly as well, indicating to us that Bitcoin could be starting to run out of steam here. We may have a bigger pullback in the cards coming, right? So maybe this wave 4 might extend it a little bit lower, but I would still like to see it come back down to 38 to 39,000. It would really come in line with the markets coming back down here on the S&P to retest some support levels right around 4,550 to 4,530. Right, so right around that area is where I would expect the S&P to get some support, and that's probably where Bitcoin might go in the short term. But yeah, looking over at Market Cipher here, we can see on the daily time frame, we've been getting smaller and smaller momentum waves towards the downside. We had a really nice one that we caught the other day, right? So congrats to the members that actually caught the short while I signaled it. You guys have bagged some nice gains on this closed position on Solana. Oh, sorry, that's not Solana. I actually have to, let me edit this right now, because this was not Solana, this was BTC. As you guys can probably tell, this was a Bitcoin trade. But yeah, we caught the short there on Bitcoin, and we managed to capitalize on it, but now we really need to see what it's going to do next. We'll have to see if this daily confirms with this tight momentum wave towards the downside. But overall, just looking at things, how things are developing, we got a nice little green dot confirmation that we formed a bit of a low, a temporary low here, and this is just on the 1 hour. But looking at maybe the 4 hour, yeah, there could be some more volatility coming in the near term. We got almost next to no money, red or green money flow here, which means it's neutral. But looking at the daily, it's quite positive. But I think we're still very overbought. But again, I'll give you guys updates inside the Discord on what I'm going to do in my trades here. But if Bitcoin does take a big dive down, then I'm going to be looking to buy the dip. But if it shoots back up, I'll probably be looking to get into a short position. But right now, it's just range bound. Anyways, have a wonderful day, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.